volcanoes in Russia. So I'm stood actually on top of what they call an active volcano. This particular mud pit has been exploding a little bit recently, a couple of meters high, and I'm stood right next to it. So forgive me if I run, but it sort of forms a bubble, so it gives you a little bit of warning, I hope. But yeah, I don't know if you can see the difference in colour. So all of this centre ring, if you like, is the mouth of the volcano, and as you can see, it's been going for a long time. Got to be careful where I walk because not all of these are solid. And yeah, it just sort of erupts in different places. Obviously it's very relaxed at the moment. It's a sleeping volcano. Oh, missed that one. I always seem to be looking in the wrong place when they splurge, but this one has come up quite high since we've been here. And it's now gone back to sleep. This is typical, isn't it? Yeah, very interesting. And actually, how many people can say they've walked across an active volcano? Well, I can, at the moment anyway. It's like listening to the frogs. You hear them, as soon as you turn around they stop. But there's bits everywhere, sort of bubbling away, and there's one that we walked past on the way here, which I'll capture in a separate video because it's a little bit further away. That might be a short, while this is what they call a long form video apparently. Dear oh dear, learning stuff all the time. So I hope this one doesn't go pop as I'm leaning over it. Looks like it wants to. That is definitely active today. All the mud is wet around it. I'm not going to linger over the face of that too long, because I don't want to be wearing Volcano. But this is a health area. People used to come here for the benefits of the sulphur enriched, I guess, hot mud. The facilities look like they've been derelict for a year or two now, which is a shame. But they used to have lots of showers here. Oh, a bit windy, apologies for the wind noise. I am pushing my luck, I know. I can see me getting covered in mud. That'll make a good video. Stupid Englishman walks too close to Volcano. It's all the question of time. There you go. Look at that one. Don't know if you call that. That little one just decided to spit out just as I walk near it. I won't get too close. There he goes. It's only a little baby one. Just a little bit of bubbling out the ground, and that one as well. We've got one over here that's trickling away. I'd say. That one's bubbling a little bit. No, always stop just as you're about to either start filming or stop filming. But this one is this little bubble. Looks like chocolate. It's like being in Willy Wonka's chocolate bubbling for quite a while. So it goes all the way down there. So yeah, there we go guys. On top of an active volcano in Russia. I wish I could have caught some of the, I'm going to call them eruptions, let's be dramatic, some of the bigger eruptions. But as is the way with these things, as soon as you get your camera out, they all decide to hide. Now, do I chance my luck and walk across this lava field? I know, dramatic. Hey, in for a penny. If you don't get to see this video, it's because I've fallen in. Yeah, no, I'm definitely going to be falling in. Let's get off of that. Although I've lost weight since I've been in Russia, I don't think I've lost enough to chance my arm walking across a thin part of the Earth's crust. So we'll walk round. Not quite that brave. Anyhow, like I say, I'll capture a bubbly one that we walk past on the way here, and I'll probably upload that as a short. Bye for now.